You spend an average of 50 minutes per day in your car, which means you may be stuck in a place with tons of particulates, dust, soot, monoxide, and smelly odors for 50 minutes every day. The airflow from the outside of your car can bring in pollen and allergens, which can cause you allergies. Freshen Up cabin air filter will create an invisible shield in your car, effectively blocking pollen, diesel soot, particulate matter, PM 2.5, bacteria, odor, harmful gas, ozone, dust and allergens from the outside of your vehicle. The cabin air filter greatly enhances HVAC and defroster performance, which includes the particle filter, premium activated carbon, and biofunctional support layer. So create an invisible shield to protect you and your family while driving by visiting www.freshenup.ca.